Today we are going to talk about a really underrated feature in Salesforce reports, and it's row-level formulas. If you've ever wished you could add calculations directly into your report without creating a custom field, this is for you. So what exactly are row-level formulas? They are custom formulas that you create inside a report and then apply to each row of data. Think of them as temporary fields that only live inside the report. You don't have to clutter your object with extra formula fields. They are powerful because you can experiment with them quickly. If the formula doesn't work, you just remove it. No impact on your data model. You can use them to calculate the discount percentage for each deal or to get to know the days open for each case and much more. So let's explore the last example, the days open for each case. We are already in the report builder. We have the case report type and there's a filter to show only open reports. And you can find the row level formulas in the drop down here. So just click it and then click add row level formula. You can see that now you can already create them with Einstein, but I will show you an example without Einstein. So I mentioned days open for each case. So the formula will be today minus the created day. I already prepared the formula before, but you could always find the fields here and then click on a field, and if you want to insert it, just scroll down and click insert. Then you have the calculation operations here, and here are all the functions that you can use. Again, you just click them and then click insert. So we can call this new column days open, and we can validate whether the formula doesn't have any issues, and once validated, click apply. Let's refresh the report, and you can see that the new formula field was already created. We don't need to sum it up, and now we know which case to focus on first. Here are a few quick tips. Try to keep the formulas simple. They should answer a question, not to replace your data model. Use the formulas options to make the results easy to read, like percentages or decimals. And remember, each report supports only one row level formula, so make it count. To wrap up, row level formulas are one of the fastest ways to get insight without extra admin work. If you like the video, please give it a like and follow for more Salesforce tips.